Good morning, young generation. My dear friends, we are talking about personality. I have started giving lectures for 5 or 6 minutes so that daily I am not giving and you are not getting bored because of these lectures. At the same time, you are increasing your motivation factor inside your body so that you can reach success. I was talking about one word, drive in the body. In psychology, for example, I have a thirst, I have to drink water. I have hunger, I have to take some food. These are all called drives. These drives create motives inside the body. For example, I am hunger. So I go to hotel or I go to kitchen, I take something, I eat. So for taking or going to kitchen or going to hotel is a motive. I have to walk, I have to go inside, that is a motive for the walking, for going inside the kitchen. So the drive is hunger and motive for walking is hunger. This is motive. But these, when we are allowing these drives, that is these demands, requirements of this body too much, when we become addicted to it. For example, we are seeing in these days, we are addicted to talk over to other people over phones. It has become a bad habit that is spoiling our time. It has become a drive inside the body. If I don't talk, I feel something is missing. So that is addiction. We should be very careful in managing our drive, that is addiction or habit, so that our time is properly spent for productive purposes. This is very much important. I am talking, see, there is one thing is called motive and another is called motivation. Motivation is a long time process that is inside our mind through which we are reaching the ultimate goal, should be success, should be positive, should be productive. That has to be reached only by getting motivation. This motivation is possible once our body is not addicted to various bad habits, so that we are in a position to save our time for spending towards the achievement, towards the goal, towards the target, towards the sky that we want to reach. This is what I am telling, that try to have, don't increase your drives too much. For example, smoking may be a drive, over talking over phone is a drive, overeating is a drive, oversleeping is a drive. These are all minus points of this body. By doing all these things, we may be wasting our time in these things, and our body demands that stops our working mind. If you are hungry, you cannot work well. That you should be very capable of deciding these things. For this reason, I am telling that we have to develop a systematic life. System is always positive, it will take you right spirit. Without having a system in life, we may be trapped under the cloud darkness called failure. We will be talking about this systematic life, or what is exactly called the system, after a day or two. Please share my views to your people. I do not have more subscribers, I do not have more views. I know there are about 50-60 people maybe watching my lectures. And I am 101% sure that after 15 years or 20 years, you will be feeling the importance of my statements. That much I am sure. Let us have a very small go, slow go, let us grow very slowly, but we are sure that we are going to be successful. Okay, thank you. See you again after 2-3 days.